really well today. I'm doing a review on RMS Beauty Lip Shine line, the shade Bloom. The founder is Rosemary Swift for RMS Beauty line that she funded with her own money. She wanted to create a green, organic, clean makeup line. I've been kind of messing around with the different pigments. I've purchased this from Credo. I don't have anything on my cheeks or my lips. Now, though this is just mainly a lip shine, I was told by the staff at Credo I could use this on my cheeks. So that will act as my blush in this review as well. So it'll be a lip shine and a blush, and we'll see. She's got different collections. She has a lip to cheek line. She has a lip shine line, which is this, and this is in the shade Bloom. It is a petal pink with a slight shimmer. It's a $25 lip shine. It's 5.67 grams. This product is gluten-free, it's hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. There are no parabens, no sulfites, and no phthalates. The lip shine combines nourishing oils as well as mineral pigments. These are ingestible ingredients. I've had this for about a month. I've enjoyed it so far. The reason I picked this hue is because I like natural pink hues on my lips and my cheeks. I feel like it just goes really well with my skin, especially every day. I have some of her lip to cheek products, and you can add the lip shine to the lip to cheek products to give it a little more nourishment, a little more sheen. It's a perfect wash of color. It is hydrating. There's a nutrient-rich oil called the MERCIER, but it's a nourishing oil. It has beta carotene, fatty acids, vitamin E, as well as vitamin C. And these are all great antioxidants that help the skin and protect it from UV rays, as well as free radicals. I'm just gonna use my fingers. I just splash them. So with the heat of your finger, it melts. And then we're actually gonna try it on the cheeks. And it gives me that nice, very soft pink wash. It is a fantastic everyday lip shine. So there's no smell, there's really no taste, which I appreciate. And you know, when you have a life on the go, when you're busy, it's just so much easier if one product can act as two or three. It's so much nicer just to cut down on the products that you travel with. Okay, so now we are going to see what it looks like in indoor lighting as well as outdoor lighting. Hey guys, I'm using the lip shine as a blush as well as a lip gloss. It doesn't feel heavy. It has a very pretty, natural, everyday color and sheen. Okay, let's go outside. Hey guys, this is what it looks like in outdoor lighting. And as you can see, it's very natural. The hue is pretty in that petal pink, very feminine. One thing to remember is that her products are oil-based. You are putting basically coconut oil as well as buriti oil on your cheeks and your lips. So especially with your cheeks, test out the product and purchase it at a store that has a great return policy just in case you break out. But as you can see, it's a very light, beautiful hue. So here is the swatch in outdoor lighting, and as you can see, I am fighting with the wind, so I apologize for my hair in the shot. Hey guys, so I'm back in. It is freezing outside. It is so cold and so windy. I've been using this for about a month and I really like it. Keep the receipt to make sure that all these like organic, raw, oils, especially coconut oil, because even though coconut oil is antifungal, it is antimicrobial, you just don't know how your skin's going to react. So far, so good. All in all, I just think these products are easy to use. I do enjoy the nourishment of the lip shine and how it feels on the cheeks as well as the mouth. The pigmentation of the formulation fades quickly. If you're gonna put this on for the day, I would have this in your pocket, in your clutch, or your purse to reapply quickly and easily. If you are trying to figure out which lip shine to start with, I think Bloom is perfect for a lot of different skin shades. I am satisfied with how it feels on my lips and my cheeks, so I'm a huge fan. I think it's beautiful. I don't like how you have to kind of dig into the pot, and I'll use my fingers for makeup, and I know that's one of the best ways of applying makeup, but I do like tools. If I need to reapply and I'm out and about and I don't have any hand sanitizer and I'm not near a bathroom, I'm gonna feel really gross sticking my nasty finger in there and then slathering all the bacteria on my lips. I know it promises that the ingredients are antifungal, antimicrobial, but it's not anti-nasty. So I'd rather it have a retractable lip brush for something like this. This is a yes for me. I really love the shade. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. Stay in touch. Thanks so much for your time, guys. This is really fun, even in the freezing cold of San Francisco on a roof. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter at 555 and my website at 555.me. Thanks so much for your time, guys. Bye.